So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to switch up your audio from sounding like this to this with just less than $20. If that sounds interesting to you, keep watching. What is up guys, Danny here, and I have with me here the BOYA by M1 lav mic. I plan on keeping this video really short and at the same time provide you guys with value. So without any further delay, let's get into the features. So right out of the box, you get the mic itself with this very long cable, a 3.5 to 6.5 millimeter adapter. And even though you can just plug this mic directly into your phone, this adapter gives you an option if you prefer using an audio input device like the M Audio M Track, a foam windscreen, a lapel clip for clipping the mic to clothing, LR44 battery that took me almost 30 minutes to fix, a leather carry bag with the BOYA branding on it, a product manual and notice card that I actually threw away because really you don't need them. So without going too deep into everything about this mic, I need to first tell you guys who this mic is for and why. So like I said from the intro, this mic is for new and upcoming creators. And why I recommend this mic is because of the audio quality. And sometimes it feels like it doesn't really match the price of the mic. I mean that in a positive way. So for the next few seconds, I'm going to show you guys like a quick comparison with other devices so that you guys can tell how this mic really sounds. So this is the audio from the inbuilt mic on the iPhone 10. This is the sound quality from the inbuilt mic in my laptop. Sad. And this is the sound quality of the inbuilt mic in the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And finally, this is the sound quality coming straight from the BOYA by M1 mic. And yeah, it's pretty great. Connecting this mic to devices is quite easy. All you have to do is plug it and make sure the switch is set to whatever type of device it is. And if you have an iPhone from I think 7 up to 13 Pro Max, you will need this kind of adapter. Links to this mic and other accessories mentioned in this video are in the description down below, so make sure you check that out. The BOYA by M1 is an awesome mic for the price, but there are a few things I find myself not liking about it. Like first, this unnecessary 6-meter long cable, because believe me, after a couple of days of use, it will get tangled. It definitely has to get tangled. There's no two ways about it. Another downside is the amount of background noise this picks up. Like, just listen to this. And lastly is the build quality. The cable is made out of rubber and the body itself is aluminium.
Or aluminium.
Aluminium.
Aluminum. I say both.
It's not actually made to last. But if you have more money and you want to get like a bigger upgrade, you could get the Rode SmartLav Plus or the Rode VideoMic Pro for vlogging even in noisy places. Links will be in the description down below. So thank you very much for watching. If this brought you so much value and maybe help you make purchase decision, let me know also in the comments. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will catch you guys next week. Peace.